Hello everyone, my name is Jerome Jimmy from St. Joseph School, Bangalore. I have an interesting experiment to show you all today. So, this is a smart stick for the visually impaired people. This is an ultrasonic sensor. It sends out ultrasonic waves. Basically, when I connect the battery to the motherboard, like this, the stick is on now. So, the battery is connected to the motherboard and ultrasonic sensor here. When it gets close to an object in front of it, within 1 meter range, you can increase the range or decrease the range using the code. So, you can see, it's between 1 meter to 2 meter. Max range is 2 meter. So, basically, this ultrasonic sensor, it sends out ultrasonic waves, and when the ultrasonic waves bounces back from an object and comes back, it beeps. So the blind person is alert that there is this object in front of them, and they can navigate using the stick properly to avoid accidents. Now I show an example with a blind stick. When I get within 1 meter range of an object, the blind person can't see it. So like you're walking front, see the stick beeps because there's something in front of the stick. So the blind person can know if there's something in front of them. Imagine they're just walking, it beeps, so they know like there's something in front of them. So they can change the direction by going this side or that side. Even this side, there's something this side. So it beeps. So the blind person can know this is the only side he can go. The materials used for this project are ultrasonic sensor, some jumper wires, Arduino Uno, it's basically the motherboard, LED diode, a cable tie, a T-type connector for the battery cap for the 9-volt battery, a 9-volt battery and a buzzer. Thank you.